Meaning of hydrosphere.
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 Hydrosphere. The hydrosphere refers to the portion of the Earth's surface that is covered by water, including oceans, lakes, rivers, and other bodies of water. Water is a vital resource for many living organisms and plays an essential role in shaping the Earth's climate and ecosystem. The hydrosphere interacts with other components of the Earth system, such as the atmosphere and geosphere, through the water cycle and geological processes. Human activities can have significant impacts on the hydrosphere, including pollution, overfishing, and climate change. It is important to manage and protect this critical resource for the benefit of all life on Earth.